What if you could draw signal interlocking plans, route diagrams, and layout maps precisely with just your laptop? AutoCAD is the secret tool, and this course teaches you how to use it for railway systems. Introducing the self-paced certificate program in AutoCAD for railways and metros by Railway Academy. This program is built for engineers, designers, and railway professionals who want to master drafting for signaling, track layout, and metro infrastructure. Who should attend? This course suits engineering and diploma graduates, non-civil too, signaling professionals, design engineers, CAD technicians, and freshers eager to enter railway design. No deep AutoCAD background is required. We begin with fundamentals. What you will learn. Over structured modules, you will explore basic AutoCAD commands, lines, layers, blocks, annotation, scaling, drawing railway symbols, and rail components with precision. Creating signal interlocking plans, SIP, control tables, and track layout drawings. Working with templates, libraries, layers, and drawing standards. Advanced techniques, dynamic blocks, dimensioning, floating, and export for field use. Integrating your drawings with signaling logic and design workflows. What you will be able to do after completing this course. Create detailed and accurate railway signaling drawings in AutoCAD. Prepare signal interlocking plans, control table layouts, and track diagrams. Apply AutoCAD standards and modular libraries to speed up your work. Export drawings ready for review, integration, or on-site deployment. Join design teams with confidence. You can contribute in CAD design roles for rail and metro projects. By the end, you will not just know AutoCAD, you will know how to apply it specifically for railway and metro systems, making you a valued part of design and signaling teams. If you want to combine design skills with railway knowledge and stand out in rail infrastructure projects, this course is your launchpad. Enroll now with Railway Academy and begin drafting the future of railways.